Bonjour à tous, and welcome to another episode of French Class Teacher Podcast, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the beautiful French language. I am Julie, and today we are going to dive into a topic that is near and dear to our hearts, the living room vocabulary. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, understanding the words and phrases related to your living space can greatly enhance your daily life in a French-speaking environment. So, without further ado, let's start transforming your living room vocabulary in French. First, I give you the basic but so needed living room terms. These are the building blocks of your living room vocabulary. Le salon, the living room. Le canapé, the sofa. La table basse, the coffee table. Les rideaux, the curtains. Le tapis, the rug. Les coussins, the cushions. La télévision, the television. La télécommande, the remote control. And what about the furniture and decor? Now that we have the basics covered, let's move on to some essential furniture and decor items you will find in a typical living rooms. Le fauteuil, the armchair. La lampe, the lamp. La bibliothèque, the bookshelf. Le tableau, the painting. La cheminée, the fireplace. Les étagères, the shelves. Le couvre-lit, the throw blanket. La plante, the plant. A living room would not be complete without some entertainment and electronic gadgets. Here are a few words to help you navigate this part of your living space. La chaîne stéréo, the stereo system. Le lecteur DVD Blu-ray, the DVD Blu-ray player. La console de jeu, the game console. Les haut-parleurs, the speakers. Le câble HDMI, the HDMI cable. Les écouteurs, the headphones. Learn vocabulary is one thing, and use it in expressions and phrases is better, right? So now we will explore some useful expressions and phrases related to the living room. Regarder la télévision, to watch television. Lire un livre, to read a book. Écouter de la musique, to listen to music. Allumer ou éteindre la lumière, to turn on or turn off the lights. Se détendre sur le canapé, to relax on the sofa. Décorer la pièce, to decorate the room. Now we are going to put all of this learning together. Let's do it together and describe your living room in French. Here is a simple example. Mon salon est très confortable. Il y a un canapé, des coussins colorés et une table basse au milieu. J'aime lire des livres dans mon fauteuil à côté de la cheminée. La télévision est accrochée au mur et il y a des étagères remplies de livres et de souvenirs. Mon tapis préféré est sous la table basse et la lampe donne une ambiance chaleureuse. So if you seek for translation, here it is. My living room is very comfortable. There is a sofa, colorful cushions, and a coffee table in the middle. I like to read books in my armchair next to the fireplace. The television hangs on the wall, and there are shelves full of books and souvenirs. My favorite rug is under the coffee table, and the lamp creates a cozy atmosphere. And now what about playing a game? I will say the word in English, and you have to translate it. Ready? Let's go. The living room. The coffee table. The curtains. The cushions. The remote control. And now let's make it in another way. I will say a word in French and translate it into English. La bibliothèque. Le tableau. La cheminée. Les écouteurs. Le fauteuil. Voila, that's a wrap for today's episode. You will find the answers to the exercise with the link below. I hope you have enjoyed our exploration of living room vocabulary. Learning these words and phrases will not only help you to communicate in French, but also make your everyday life more enjoyable and deeper with people. So go ahead, practice and transform your living space en français. If you have any question or suggestions for future topic, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for tuning in to French Class Teacher Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your fellow French learners. Remember, practice makes perfect, and together we will unlock the beauty of the French language. À la prochaine!